Your 20s are the perfect time to take charge of your financial future. The habits you build now can set the stage for long-term success. Here are some practical steps to ensure you're financially prepared before hitting 30. 1. Budget like a pro. A budget is your financial roadmap. Use tools like Mint or YNAB to track your income and spending. Stick to the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for necessities, 30% for discretionary spending, 20% for savings and debt repayment. This simple framework ensures you're living within your means while prioritizing financial goals. 2. Start an emergency fund. Build a safety net for unexpected expenses like car repairs or medical bills. Aim to save 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a high-yield savings account. Start small, but save consistently to protect yourself from financial surprises. 3. Begin investing early. The earlier you start investing, the more time compound interest has to grow your wealth. Even small monthly contributions to an IRA, 401k, or brokerage account can lead to significant returns over time. Consider low-cost index funds or ETFs to diversify your portfolio. 4. Pay down high-interest debt. Credit card debt can eat into your income with high interest rates. Prioritize paying it off using the avalanche method, tackling high-interest debts first, or the snowball method, starting with the smallest balances. 5. Build and protect your credit score. Your credit score affects everything from loan approvals to interest rates. Pay bills on time, keep credit utilization below 30%, and monitor your credit report regularly for errors. 6. Save for retirement. It's never too early to plan for the future. Contribute to a 401k or IRA, especially if your employer offers a match. It's free money. Even small contributions now can grow into a substantial nest egg later. 7. Explore ways to increase your income. Boosting your income can accelerate your financial goals. Take on a side hustle, learn a new skill, or pursue a certification to advance your career. Use extra earnings to invest or pay down debt faster. 8. Educate yourself about money. Knowledge is power. Read personal finance books, listen to podcasts, or follow experts online to improve your financial literacy. Understanding money management helps you make smarter decisions. 9. Insure what matters. Protect yourself from unexpected losses by having health, renters, and auto insurance. Adequate coverage ensures you won't drain your savings in case of emergencies. 10. Plan for the big picture. Think about your long-term goals: buying a house, traveling, or starting a business. Create a plan and start saving early to turn these dreams into reality without taking on unnecessary debt. The financial habits you establish in your 20s will impact your future. By budgeting, saving, investing, and staying informed, you're setting yourself up for financial independence. Start now, stay consistent, and watch your efforts pay off before you turn 30.